with Marina Bay Sands. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. This is Singapore where tradition meets innovation.
And this artwork is by Aaron Hui from Ngee Polytechnic Catering, Singapore, where tradition meets innovation.
And next up, tonight's theme, Heartbeat of our Northwest, celebrating our vibrant pulse of our community where everyday experiences become meaningful connections, where neighbors become families.
You will see a family appear celebrating together. Another design by Aaron Hui from Ngee Polytechnic. This is home, not just a place on the map, but where we laugh, dream, and grow. With every heartbeat, every shared moment, we build this home together.
And if you're enjoying the drone show very much, the next one is pretty cool. It's created by Renee Chen from LaSalle College of the Arts. And now, you might be able to see a figure appearing here, and that is a little girl waving the Singapore flag high and proud. She might be small, but her dreams are mighty, and she represents our future, the youth of Singapore.
This time, more than ever before. This is multiple hands held together, many yet one. People with diverse backgrounds holding firm our different cultures and traditions weave a beautiful tapestry. Together we form the unbreakable bond of one people, one nation. In our diversity, we find our strength.
Next up, of course, a logo now illuminates our sky. It's morphing into something that you are familiar with. I believe you'll see it all around the entire Northwest National Day Heartland celebrations coming together. The next one is a beautiful logo. Coming together, it forms a remarkable 65 remarkable years of People's Association, the heartbeat of our communities. Together, we build a nation that cares, where community spirit thrives.
Programs and activities we spark and nurture participation, creating spaces where neighbors become friends and every resident makes a difference. This is the pulse of our heartland, our people whose daily acts of kindness build a caring community and united Singapore. And now brings us out here as a jet takes flight. Fearless free. This year, our Singapore Armed Forces also commemorate 60 years of national defense. Just like our dreams, our hopes, and our unwavering commitment to defend and nurture this beautiful nation we call home.
What an amazing sight, looking at a jet take flight. We don't normally have fly past in the night, do we? But this is something really special and perhaps can only happen at night. Next one is going to test you a little on your geography, ladies and gentlemen. This is our island, our identity, and from this land we rise. Small in size but mighty in spirit. And if you notice top right hand corner, that is actually Pulau Tekong, as I saw on Google Maps. That's actually pretty cool as well, where we built our Singapore Armed Forces from the start. Ladies and gentlemen, our wonderful island, Singapore.
Singapore back from this land we rise. Majula Singapura, Onward Singapore was our rally cry in 1965, a bold declaration of hope when we were just beginning. Today, these same words carry the pride of our achievements and our promise to keep moving forward, reaching higher.
Ladies and gentlemen, and this one I'm gonna need a little bit help from you. I'm gonna say something and we're gonna respond together for our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, Majulah! One more time, Majulah! One last time, let me hear it from you, Majulah!
Our promise to the future, our anthem of progress. This is the finale of the drone show.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed the drone show, make some noise, everybody! That was amazing, and that was the wonderful drone show that our team has put up for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed a little sprinkle of music, right, and magic right over here in the skies of Yishun that we have tonight, celebrating our wonderful experience here at our National Day celebrations at Heartlands at Northwest tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, may I invite you as the drone show steps to a close to turn and face the stage for the next exciting part of our program right here. Ladies and gentlemen, and of course, I think many of you are still waiting for the drone to home. Very concerned about its safety. I like that. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, it's coming up. And of course, thank you so much to all the drone operators. Thank you so much to all our designers from LaSalle Polytechnic, all the different institutions for putting this together as well, right? I hope that you have enjoyed the show. And of course, next up, coming up on stage, we do have our next round of our performance right here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be something very special. So don't sit down just yet because we need your help to do something. In fact, we need all Singaporeans' help to do something at this point in time, and that will be the national anthem and the pledge taking. But before that, it is imperative that we invite our ministers, our mayor, and grassroots advisors up on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome all our advisors. First, please allow me to welcome Mr. K. Shanmuga, Coordinating Minister for